Look at this. Let's get inside the water. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going to have my shoes because it's really sliding. The place is really sliding. Oh yes, there we are. That's it. This is the place. Now look at this. The water. Oh my god. The water is sky blue. The sky is as blue as you can imagine. As you can see. Marlins! Marlins! I'm sorry, my friend is right there, and what do I say? Yeah, we're having an amazing time in this place. It's amazing. Oh my goodness. Yes, my plan is to get over there. You see, I'm going to walk here. Behind there is my friend. Go walk, and get there. Right there. Unfortunately, she's not going to accompany me, so I'm going alone. Yes, this is summer, real summer. Beach, sand, fun. Call it baby. Amazing. Oh my goodness. Do you see? Yes, and the water is busy. You can look inside. I saw there. He's doing it really